If you're running an LLC, did you know you might be leaving money on the table and giving it to the government in the form of taxes? Let me tell you a little bit more about this. If you don't know me, my name is Audrey House. I'm a business financial coach, and I help women entrepreneurs grow a profitable business with financial strategies and mindset to up-level themselves and their businesses. And today I want to talk about LLCs. And a lot of times when I ask women, what kind of business do you have? Do you have an S-Corp? Do you have a sole proprietorship? They say, I have an LLC. So if you have an LLC, you can file as a sole proprietor or you can file as an S-Corp. And there are different tax strategies and reasons to do both of them. So you're automatically, if you're just a single person business, when you create your business as an LLC, you're automatically thrown into the sole member or sole proprietor tax category. But you can change that. You can change it to an S-Corp tax filing. It just costs a little bit more money to do some things. In my next video, I will get into the different, if you're ready for an S-Corp and why and how you can figure that out. And why is filing one way more advantageous than filing the other way? Because you save money in the self-employment tax. Self-employment tax is 15% of your net profit if you're a sole member LLC. So that's on top of federal and state and any local taxes you may have. So you could be giving upwards of half of your net income to the government, which is why so many people don't want to have a profit in their business because they feel like they just have to give it so much to the government. But there's a way around that. And I always like to say, if you don't have a profit in your business, you're not running a business, you're running a hobby. And everybody's paying taxes. If you had a job, you'd be paying taxes. You're just paying them a different way. You're paying them out of your paycheck instead of paying them into the government at the end of the year or through quarterly payments. So if you're an LLC, what you want to find out, well, you probably know, because if you're not running a payroll and you're the only member of your business, you're a sole proprietor or sole member LLC, and you've never made that shift over into the S-Corp. And like I said, in my next video, I will talk more about if it makes sense to make that shift. But first, you want to know, what am I right now? What are you right now? Are you a sole member LLC? And if you are, does it make sense to change? So LLC is the legal structure, and then the sole member and the S-Corp or partnership, if there's more than one of you, is the tax structure. So LLC helps you not, if you get sued, they can't take you as a sole member, they can't take your personal property. It helps you legally if you're doing it right. That's a whole nother video. I'm just going to give you a little hint. Don't mix personal and business or you're nullifying that LLC. Keep it separate. Okay, so move on. In the next video, I'm going to share with you how you know whether or not it makes sense to talk to your CPA about becoming an S-Corp. Or if you don't want to wait for my next video, feel free to hop on a profit call with me and we can work this out and find out one-on-one if it makes sense for you to talk with your CPA about changing that tax structure. And I'd be happy to do that. It's a 20-minute free call with me, and we can look into that. If not, you can wait for the next video, and I'm going to share more about that in there.